Hi kids! This is Teacher MJ. Today, we will learn about the sound and the things that begin with the sound of K, K, K. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is Kayo Kangaroo. Kayo Kangaroo says K, K, K. Can you do it with me? One more time. Kayo Kangaroo says K, K, K. Good job! Next, let's identify the things that begin with the sound of K, K, K. Here we go! Kangaroo, king, kite, kettle, key, koala, and kiwi. Good job! Are you happy? Have you learned a lot from Teacher MJ today? Thank you so much for listening. See you again!